All right, folks, I've done some searching because of the crazy amount of people that I know it was very early in the morning, but I did want to get that video up. But International Tool has these in stock as well, guys. All right, 9-piece, big Hawg, cardboard, teeth, pack out kit. All right, $99. They're in stock. All right. Um, Let me add it to the cart. Shipping is free, but let me get rid of this. I don't know what that's doing in there. All right, so you still got to be at the 149 mark, but I wanted to show you some other stuff here that you might be interested in. All right, so I'm going to put the link under for this, and I'll put the link under for this other stuff as well. Okay, now here's something. 52-piece shockwave set, guys. $12.98. All right, couple nut drivers. You get a pretty nice amount of 2-inch bits. Obviously, um, you know, nothing too crazy, but it is only $12.98. Um, so if you like these shockwave bits, it's a good way to get some extra bits for $12.98. We can add that to the cart there. Let's keep shopping now. Another decent deal for our stud fans. All right, $10 for a 16-foot stud. All right. The 16-foot stud. Now this is the Gen 1 version. All right, but it's basically the same exact tape measure, except the new ones are a little bit smaller. But the 16-footer, is no bigger really than a lot of the other 16-foot tape measures. And you got to remember, with the new studs, they're not built as strong as that Gen 1 version. If you want my opinion, now they may say it, you know, does the same, but I could tell you I've played with the new one. It's definitely more compact, but it does not feel as tough as that Gen 1 stud. All right, so we got that in there. Okay. And what was the other one? It was not that one. Oh yeah, the 8-inch needle nose. All right, 1897. All right, 141. We're not there yet. Let me try one more that I think was pretty good, but we're gonna have $28 for a tumbler. We don't want that. I mean, you know, if you want the job site fan for $79, that'll eliminate pretty much the shipping altogether. There you go to page 4. Look for one screwdriver, $11.99. But I think a 3-pack is $19.99. You can grab a beanie here, guys, for $14.99. Now you got the free shipping. You know what? Let's get rid of the pliers. But you got the beanie. All right, now, guys, you don't have to put anything in. Yeah, here we go. 25 stamp off knife. Nice little box cutter here for $10.99. You don't have to buy anything but the big hog. All right, you're gonna pay $6.99, $7.99 for shipping. All right, But that's up to you. I know a lot of people don't like to pay for shipping. So here's an 18. Okay? You might like this instead. All right? There's little trinks and trinkets you can pick up. Here's an Inksol 2-pack for $3.99. You got a voltage tester, voltage detector for $14. Speaking of our whole dozier, here we go. 1 1/8, 1 1/4. See? Here's that 40 piece. I'll tell you, this is the way to go. Oh, wait, they got the 3/8 back? Wait, they got the 3/8. Oh, no, well, they do. But it's not at that low price that we saw when I did that video. What, October? Yeah, see, that's what I'm saying. I mean, you're getting the big hog for $99. Now, this is a 19 piece, don't get me wrong. All right? But 189. Or here you go. Let's end it. Let's end it. Let's end it. Get rid of that. Oh, where's my rest of my stuff? Get rid of that. Now here, you're going to be set for life. All right? If you want to keep the stud, it's up to you. But they have both available. All right? It'll be $164. You're going to get free shipping. You're going to get 2 PackOut boxes. So right there, you're at $60. All right? So for $100, you're getting 19 hole saws. All right? 9 are carbide, big hogs. 10s, the regular hole saws, Milwaukee, you got a 10-piece. All the sizes are different. That's what's great about it. All right? Now, there might be one that's the same, but I don't think so. All right? But maybe you don't want the big hog. You just want the regular 10-piece whole dozer set. $64.99. All right? I think that sold out also at Home Depot, but they're both available. They're both in stock. I'll put the link for both underneath. Guys, have a great rest of your day. Peace.